Meet Belush, an 8-year-old adventurer, as she skips onto a magical rainbow candy bridge. Everything here glows with sweet, shimmering colors. She giggles with delight, twirling around. Then she spots a giant, squishy gummy bear lamppost. Boop. Suddenly, the gummy bear lamppost jiggles and lets out a tiny, happy sneeze. A shower of colorful candy sprinkles rains down on Belush. Belush laughs, catching the sprinkles and tasting their sweetness. She gives her gummy bear friend an affectionate hug goodbye as it winks at her.